Look at all these geese just hanging out, chilling, eating grass. They haven't migrated yet. It's almost winter. We should be getting a foot of snow tonight. Give a like, subscribe, leave a comment. Peace out. Look at all the seagulls. They just saw me and took off. We're just sitting here at the beach, Lake McCarran. They're coming back. That looks beautiful. Look at them. Flying back. They realize I'm not a threat. Lots of seagulls. Subscribe, support the work. See you in the next video. This is Lake McCarran. Peace out.